Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of a D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11-part shader model that is required to run the engine. So if you're having problem, the most cases the problem is DirectX 11 or the DirectX 12 is not installed, or you do not have the updated version in your PC or laptop here. Or another problem that will be your graphics driver is not up to date here. Simply just go to the Windows 10 or Windows 11 search bar and search for DXDIG to check if your DirectX is up to date or not here. Open this DXDIG. This will be the same command in the Windows 10 and Windows 11 here. After opening the DirectX diagnostic tool here, it will show you the DirectX version here, which I'm having the DirectX 12 here. So in this case, if you want to update your DirectX, you just have to simply update your Windows 10 or 11 here. In most cases, this will help you to update the DirectX diagnostic tool here. So first of all, if you are having the problem in the Epic Games launcher, just open the Epic Game launcher here and go to the Unreal Engine here. Then you just have to go to the settings option here. Choose the game that you are having the problem here. And then just go ahead and check this option here, which is called additional command line arguments. And just go ahead and type here D3D11 here. And then you just have to close your game launcher here if you're having problem with the Epic Games launcher. Then if you have to download the DirectX function updated version here, just go to this link here. I'll give the link in the description box and download the latest version of the DirectX here and just install it. The installation process is same here. Just next and it will be installed in your PC here. And if it still doesn't work for you, just go to the settings. After opening the system, just go to the scroll down and find the Windows update here and check for updates here. And if you do not have the latest update of Windows update, just download the latest update of the Windows here. Sometimes it will download the latest DirectX for your PC and it will solve the problem of the DirectX older version here. The next thing you have to do is go to the update your graphics driver here. So if you have GeForce Experience here, if you have NVIDIA graphics card here, just go to the GeForce Experience here. So if you don't have the GeForce Experience here, just go to any website and download the GeForce Experience here and open the GeForce Experience app here. And if you're AMD graphics driver here, just open the AMD Radeon software here. So after opening the GeForce Experience here, you just have to go to the drivers option here. And here you will find the latest graphics driver for your GeForce here. So just download the GeForce Game Ready driver here, and the driver will be automatically downloaded and installed in your PC. Hopefully this will solve your problem of the D3D11 GPU driver engine problem here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.